876 streets.
My name is Rickana Walsh, and otherwise known as Rikki. And I'm from St. Mary, way across the other side of the parish. I drive a 95 EG. Yeah, started racing professionally in 2017 at Vernon Field. Started out with that same 95 EG, same motor, K24. Yeah, did a time of 13.3 at the time with issues. Well, competed in the 12-second class last meet. Had a few issues, but the finalist was Mizzle. I wanted to compete with Mizzle because he's a 12-second champ. My most memorable moment since racing is in the summer competing at Jamwest when I ran my personal best of 11.9. And everybody was there shouting. Yeah, that was the moment. Yeah, it's a 2.4 liter. Little headwork done. Yeah, running some nitrous. Not going to say how much shot, but yeah, we have a little power. Yeah, it's basically direct port nitrous, dry shot. Running on Honda ECU, want to upgrade in the future. Bonnet exit, bolt-ons. I mean, we have stock intake manifold and such, but we're getting there. Well, issues putting together the car is, my main issue is just basically tuning. Understand? Yeah, tuning takes time. Takes a lot of hours on the dyno. Because we did like 3 days preparation tuning this car. Yeah, it's basically ready now after 3 days on the dyno. Yeah, my best time to date is 11.9 with this same car, same motor at Jamwest Speedway. By the end of the year, we want to bring this car to at least 10.0, low 10 seconds on nitrous. We're coming with this car at Jag Rivals 2 to beat a nitrous record of 11.1 that was laid by Chris Elliott in his CRX. Let's say Rikki, all keys are capital.
Capitals.
All of them are capital. But anyway they want to put it, don't get beat by a common one. First of all, I want to big up Max HP Tuning. My tuner, my mechanic, Dwayne Porter. Yeah man. Secondly, I want to big up not my blood brother, but Adrian Ramlal. Close. Yeah man. And third, my sponsor, Honda Solution in Spanish Town. Yeah man, you can link them up for all suspension parts, front end parts, engine, gearboxes. Yeah man, you can link them up. And big up Father God, because he might make it happen. Well, you don't really do call outs, but I get call out by a Honda 3 car, Damai, the Samurai.
General, I know, Rikki. Yeah man, I hear a cup of tea this man.
Yeah man, because I tell them to make sure some white words them spicy enough, because I might have to eat them. Yeah man, so Damai ready. Check 1. Check 2. My best time to date is 11.9 with this same car, same motor. Yeah. At Vernon, well, at Drag Rivals 2, we're coming on some power and we're coming at Chuck. Yeah man, March 31st, be there, Drag Rivals 2. Yeah man, Max HP Tuning will be coming out with this car on Nitrous. Yeah man. Big up Kenty Racing, big up 87 Streets, 876 Streets, you don't know, he'll be there.